Hello everybody, this is Joe Baker with One Loyalty Network, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a mobile version of your website through the content management system offered by One Loyalty Network. So you might wonder to yourself, why in the world do I need a mobile website? And the answer is simple. Over half of the local searches are done on mobile devices. So if you don't have a mobile website or a mobile themed website, chances are your competitors do, and you could be losing business to them. So the beauty is, through One Loyalty Network, you can easily create mobile versions of your website that are production ready, and you can deploy them relatively quickly. So we're in our content manager. We're going to get into managing our pages, and the first thing we're going to do is set our vanity URL. And our vanity URL is basically, what's the URL that's going to be displayed for my site. And I'm working with the SuperSpa today, so we're going to go ahead and use the SuperSpa as our URL. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to start creating our pages. So typically we have a navigation page that's part of the mobile theme that really allows people to get to where they want. So we'll call this our home page. The vanity URL will just be home. And we'll go ahead and enter some basic information. As far as the description goes, for this particular page I'll fill it in once, and the rest of the time I'm going to kind of skip over it, but we'll just say our spa is really great. The keywords are Google uses it, and the rest of the world uses keywords as far as search engines go. And this is going to be our home page. So we're just going to insert a quick image here. We'll choose one that I've already uploaded. We just go ahead and size it the way we want, and we're going to save this. Now we're going to come back to this page later, but I'm going to show you one more, and then I'm going to pause this video and create the rest and come back to it. So let's create an About Us page. We'll call it a content page because we're going to enter content about it. So our description is about us, and same with our vanity URL. Like I mentioned, I'm going to leave the description and keywords for the interest of time. And we'll go ahead and display the back button. And you can either put the back button on the top or the bottom of the pages. So here's our About Us, and I'm going to copy some content into here. So we just copied a bunch of content, and I'm going to go ahead and format this just a little bit to show you what you can do. And I'm going to pick another image here that I've already uploaded. And again, we're just going to kind of drag it to the size we want, and I'll go ahead and left justify everything so you can see how the page just flows itself here. So we're going to scroll down, we're going to save this page, and we're going to come back to our navigation. We're going to enter this. So I'm going to go ahead and add the link of About Us, and I'm going to call it About Us, if you can believe that. And we'll go ahead and save this. Just want to make sure that our About Us page is public, which it is. So we're going to do a quick preview on what we've done so far. So this is what I've created so far. We've got our home landing page with the About Us, and if we get here we can see all the content I added about us. So I'm going to come back to this page, and I'm going to quickly pause this video and create some additional pages and then come back and show you what I did. Hello again everybody. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and created a handful more pages here, 1, 2, 3, 4, since I paused this video. So now we're going to go back into our navigation page and make sure we add all of our links in here. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we're just going to add them right in order of how I created them. And then we can adjust basically how they look or where they appear on our page. So as you can see, I've added these links. I'm going to go ahead and drag our Contact Us page to last, and we'll actually move the social media page. So we go About Us, our loyalty programs. Maybe I should name that a bit better. And then we're basically done. with that. Whoops. Oh, yep, it's saved. So we'll go ahead and save the page. And now we're going to take a preview of what we've done. And as you can see, we've now put our About Us and our loyalty programs. And of course, you can have as many programs as you want within our system, and it'll just calculate appropriately. With the social media, we've just put external links to Facebook and Twitter here. The Contact Us page, I actually made it a contact form that the customer would fill out, first name, email address, and whatever message. And again, here's the About Us page that we created the first time around. So you can actually create some very interesting mobile websites. This is published and live right now. Of course, this is just a preview, and you can switch between our landscape and view how the pages look if it's actually a landscape version as opposed to a portrait version. And of course, you have a tablet here too. So as you can see, we've got quite a few options that are available through our content manager, and this is available at One Loyalty Network.